Alright, it's the fucking 23rd, about 5 o'clock. We're still in Vermont. We're not really sure where in Vermont we are, but Heidi's over there with all of our gear and shit. And we're gonna set up our tent over here probably, because I'm starved. Oh, look at this old fire pit. That's where we're gonna fucking have fire, I imagine. Imagine we'll have one there, guys. Look at this, guys. Check it out, guys. There's a fucking seat right here. Woo! Relax and enjoy. Vermont. Relax and enjoy. Oh, check this out. There's all kinds of fucking cool stuff. Pretty fucking neat. Hey, will you grab the tent and stuff, babe? Probably right where your backpack is, or something. I don't know. There's something over here too. Come check it out, guys. Come on. Oh, there's a little fireplace over here, though. Check her out, guys. Check her out before I fucking wreck her out. Oh yeah, a little fire fucking pit, bro. Fire pit. Fire pit in the middle of nothingness. In the middle of fucking nothingness, guy. Check this shit out. Whole rock wall that makes no sense to be on the top of this mountain. That would be New England. You smell a fire? Oh, there's a trail marker. Trail marker. Oh my God! It gets steep down there. Gets kind of steep. Gets a little hairy. I'm definitely gonna go make something to eat, and I need to go to the bathroom really bad. I gotta find some water, and that'll be our next video. I'll show you how we get some water.